Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve a question under the composition of functions. Okay, the question says f of x is equal to x squared, g of x is equal to x minus 1, and we are to find f of g of x and g of f of x. Okay, let's take the first case, which is to find f of g of x. Okay, so let's break this down for easy understanding. So f of g of x is the same as f into g of x. So first we have g of x and then we substitute it in f of x. Okay, so let's start. Our g of x is equal to x minus 1 as in the question, so we have f into x minus 1. So from here we are going to substitute x minus 1 with x in the f of x function. So let's have it. So from there we are going to have x minus 1 all that squared. Okay, so let's expand this. We have x minus 1 times x minus 1. Now let's open our bracket. So we have this times this, which is x squared. This times this, we have plus, sorry, it's not, we have minus x. This times this, that is minus x again, and this times this, that's plus 1. So we can simplify it. So we will have x squared minus 2x plus 1. So now that is our f of g of x is simply equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So that is our first case. So let's go to the b part. The b part says we should find g of f of x. Again, let's break this down for easy understanding. So we will have g of f into x is equal to g into f of x. So again, we are going to have f of x and we are going to substitute it into the g of x function. Okay, so our f of x is x squared, so we are going to have g into x squared. So here we are going to replace x squared with x in our g of x function. So let me show you what that is. So from here we are going to have x squared minus 1. Okay, as easy as that. So we can say that g of f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. So that is what we have in that case. So to find the composition of two functions is not difficult. Firstly, we break it down and then we simplify it, we solve it. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video.